Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to increase score multiplier in Subway Surfers. In this video, I'll show you how to get multipliers in Subway Surfers. One of the main ways is by completing missions. Every time you finish 3 missions, you earn an extra score multiplier. For example, when I complete a mission set, it shows +1, increasing my total multiplier. You can also gain multipliers simply by playing the game. Another method is purchasing boosts, which you can use up to 3 times to reach as high as 7 times multiplier. Additionally, you can upgrade your double multiplier for coins, though the cost increases with each upgrade. Finally, certain skins, like Festive Frank, also come with built-in multiplier bonuses. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.